Welcome to AAA Kitchen. I'm Teresa and I'm excited to teach you today how to make Pindjur. It's a delicious summertime appetizer famous in the Balkans. Let's get into it.
Grill or roast the tomato, red shepherd pepper, and eggplants, preferably a day before you make the Pindjur. Once cooled off, peel their skin. Don't forget to remove the stem and seeds. Slice them all and let them dry and cool overnight. Blend a clove of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and olive oil into large chunks. Place the vegetables and the garlic mixture in a bowl. Gently mix. Add some salt for taste and be generous with that olive oil. Enjoy!
For more recipes and information on how to order our world-class cheeses, visit AAAcheese.com and don't forget to enter this season's giveaway contest.